Welcome to 765 O'Farrell number 36. This is a junior one-bedroom with a unique floor plan that allows it to work for two roommates, giving them both a sleeping area along with a different living common space and kitchen. So the one room here in the front could be the living room or one of the sleeping areas, however you want to do it, and it features a bay window. This is at the back of the building. It's the afternoon, so it gets some nice afternoon light. We look down here at the Hastings Law School and some of the downtown buildings. A junior one-bedroom is in effect a studio that's somehow been made to have a separate sleeping area. And in this case, they've divided the main living room with a partial wall that does not go all the way to the ceiling for light and air to flow, and a door. So that would be your first room or area, however you want to refer it. And it has a nice door with a lock. The second part of the main room would work probably best as the living room. It has a door here that opens up to the large walk-in closet. And in this case, this room has the refrigerator here. There's other places that could be relocated to. The kitchen has tiled floors, granite counters, full-size gas range, and maple cabinets. And then off the kitchen, yet another room with a door and a lock that is fully enclosed. And this could be another little sleeping area, or it has a window looking south with the same view. And this little room is tiled. There's an entry hallway, a full bath, with floor-to-ceiling tiling around the tub, cute little sink and a tiled floor. And then you also have another way to access your walk-in closet off the hallway here. And the walk-in closet has some nice shelving. There is, of course, a door to the bathroom. If you're interested in leasing 765 O'Farrell number 36, it's a nice quiet rear unit. Visit BillHarkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Have a great day.